Twitter for small businesses. Why it works and how to use it effectively. In this video, I'm going to show you how small businesses can use Twitter effectively to get more leads and customers. Hello, we are Raul and Blanca Quiroga, and we are the founders of Digital Promotions New Braunfels. And in this video, I'm going to show you how small businesses can use Twitter effectively to get more leads and customers. 1. Twitter can help small businesses connect with customers in real time. 2. Twitter is a great way to share news and updates about your business. 3. You can use Twitter to drive traffic to your website or blog. 4. Twitter is also a great tool for customer service. 5. Twitter can help you learn more about your customers and their needs. 6. Use hashtags to reach a wider audience on Twitter. 7. Tweet at the right time of day for maximum exposure. 8. Monitor your Twitter analytics to see how well your tweets are performing. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromosionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.